How's it going? My name is Christian Johnson. I am the co-founder of UPMEN Boots. I am sitting down today with Ken Gusner at Monona Shoe Repair. This is his shop in Monona, Wisconsin. So thank you for having me. Obviously, you are a partner of ours now. You carry our boot line, which is really exciting and honestly a privilege for us, so we really appreciate it. So we're here to do a restoration, right? I brought in a pair of boots. I kind of gave a backstory to you. These are the earliest customer of mine. I know the man personally. He does not take care of these boots. He doesn't polish them ever. He doesn't even clean dirt off them. There are salt stains on them. He rides horses with them. So just like everything you could do wrong. And you looked at him and you said, this is an easy fix. So can you give me your thoughts on some certain areas of these?
Well, I would say first let's start with the leather on them, like the toe cap and the heel caps. I think some light cleaning, possibly some light sanding, and then condition and polish, and these will look brand new again. Maybe on the edge of the soles, particularly in the toes, we would want to sand that a little bit, clean it up a little bit, touch up some gluing.
Okay.
And then fill some cracks with wax, and then wax them.
All right.
And these will look brand new. Same thing with the heels. Maybe a little salt stain remover, and light sanding, re-ink them, and we're ready to go.
The reason we decided to make this video is to show that if you buy good quality, well-built things, in this case, these UPMEN Logan boots are Goodyear welted. They have double-stitched uppers. This is all reinforcing the really high-end materials that they're built with. The point is, you buy quality in the beginning, and it's not a huge overhaul to bring these boots back to that office shine. And, some people like to wear their boots really rugged. My buddy's case, he loved these boots because they were dirty, they were beat up, they were tough, and now I'm going to irritate him by allowing you to make them incredible again. All right, well, let's go demonstrate the craftsmanship and the old school quality of these UPMEN boots and get this restoration going.
First thing, let's get rid of these laces. These are in bad shape. Just cut them and get them out of here.
Okay.
Sometimes easier said than done. I would start with the welt. On the upper, this is a different brush. It's not quite as beefy. Then the next stage that I would do is take it over here and blow it.
My buddy is onto something with the idea of caking mud as a protective barrier.
Yep, right.
Places, right?
A good story, but I don't recommend it.